Hey all, my name is Sasha Weiss. I'm a junior studying computer science at Northwestern University, and this is an introduction to my plans for winter quarter 2017, the MicroReminders project, part of the Delta Lab here at Northwestern. And so what I want to talk about right now is motivation for the project, and then goals for the quarter, design goals, technology goals, and research goals specifically. So the project is context-aware micro-reminders. The motivation of this project is we want to help people get more stuff done. In particular, targeting around the home small tasks with the eventual goal of scaffolding those tasks up into helping people accomplish high-level or complex lingering tasks that they've got, around, as well as just sort of one-off tasks. Goals for the quarter. So at the end of last quarter, I ran a study, got a lot of feedback on the design of the app as it is, on how people were using the app, and some of the big things that came out of that were an understanding that context, which is currently just determined by location, as determined in turn by proximity to these iBeacons, these Bluetooth beacons, that context needs to get more complex and more aware, more specific. So that's definitely a big goal, is work on the context-aware aspect. I also want to start thinking about scaffolding. So at this point, up till now, the project has largely been focused on sort of one-off small tasks, sort of leaving for the moment, building those tasks up into something bigger. And I want to start thinking about what that process looks like, how to get those tasks from users, how to get them to document those, how to get them to document the associated micro tasks, and then to think about stringing them together in a way that's unintrusive, but still helpful. So those two largely fit under design and technology goals. In particular, the scaffolding is going to require a lot of need finding and careful writing of design arguments such that I can evaluate these scaffolds. In terms of technology, by the end of the quarter, I'd love to have a couple different interface ideas for the scaffolding. I think the context part will be something I can achieve midway through the quarter, at least to just a finer granularity than it is currently. And then I want to dedicate most of my time to thinking about scaffolding. In particular, I think what's going to be challenging about that is recording these tasks, getting people to write them down in the app and to continue to write them down as they use the app, so to continue using the app. And I want to make sure that I've got time and technology to test a couple different interface ideas, a couple different ways of recording. So, do they have to open the app, or is there a widget? Are there notifications that they can use? Then in terms of research goals, I would love to evaluate those systems, see preliminarily, does scaffolding work? Is it useful? Do the interface ideas that I have, are they helpful? Can people chain these tasks? I think, yeah, that would be great by the end of the quarter to have an idea of scaffolding, because I think any more significant contributions or conclusions or principles that can come out of this kind of project, they're all going to rely on scaffolding. So I want to get started on that as soon as possible. So I think those are the big goals of this quarter. Thank you for watching, and I will check in again soon.